Welcome back to the Only For You YouTube channel. Today's video is about Nakia Torres, also known as Race to the City, a fashion influencer and blogger known for her bold style, cultural pride, and body positive message. Nakia Torres was born in the United States and raised near the Colorado River Indian tribes along the Arizona-California border. She comes from a Hofite and black background, which plays a strong role in her identity and creative expression. As of recent years, Nakia is believed to be in her early to mid 30s. She stands at approximately 5 feet 6 inches tall, and her weight is estimated to be around 200 pounds, embracing her identity as a confident plus-size fashion influencer. From a young age, Nakia had a passion for fashion. Growing up in a rural community with limited access to trendy clothing, she learned how to thrift and create unique looks on her own. Fashion became her way of storytelling. Nakia gained wider attention through Instagram under the handle @Race to the City, where she shares colorful outfits, makeup looks, and everyday fashion inspiration. Her content focuses on breaking beauty standards and showing that style has no size limit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment who you want to see next.